Welcome to the Drive-On Safety Inspection demonstration. In this video, we will demonstrate how to conduct a safety inspection on a trailer using Drive-On program inspection equipment. Select the Inspection menu button to proceed to the Inspection menu screen. You can see all the available options on the Inspection menu screen. For this demonstration, we are selecting the second option, Safety Inspection. For this demonstration, we will select the top option. Perform Commercial Safety Inspection Sticker. You will be prompted to enter your user ID and password before logging into the system. This is the same user ID and password you created when you registered for the Drive-On program at www.driveonportal.com. For additional security, you will be asked once a day during your first inspection to authenticate your account using a verification code that is sent via email. If mobile phone number has been added to your account, a text message containing the verification code will also be sent. After entering the verification code, press the Submit button to move on. The Submit button will only be active if a verification code is entered. The technician can proceed once the system confirms that everything is checked by selecting Continue. The technician will be prompted to take a photo of the vehicle, including the license plate. This vehicle photo is required to proceed. The technician will then select if the vehicle is plated or not plated. The technician will also be required to enter the vehicle's license plate number. If the vehicle's license plate was issued from another province or country, the technician will change the appropriate fields using the drop-down menus. The technician can capture up to 5 optional pre-inspection photos with the tablet's rear-facing camera to store with the inspection record. These photos can be used to capture pre-existing damage to the vehicle or other items the technician may wish to document at the beginning of the inspection. The technician will be prompted to take a photo of the compliance label of the vehicle being inspected. This compliance photo is required to proceed. Technicians can capture up to 3 photos. To enter the VIN, the technician will select the button to scan the VIN barcode using the rear-facing camera. If the barcode cannot be scanned, the technician must enter the VIN manually twice. The technician will review and validate the pre-populated vehicle information and complete any fields that remain unpopulated. For this demonstration, we will be selecting hydraulic brakes. The brake type is used to populate the appropriate safety components for the vehicle being inspected. The technician is now prompted to enter additional vehicle information such as number of axles. After entering the data, the application will populate checklists for each axle on the vehicle. Select the drop-down menu for each axle and answer the following questions. Is this a steering axle? Yes or no? Lift axle? Yes or no? Number of tires on this axle? Brake type? Disc or drum? This information is used to populate the list of safety items later in the inspection. Select Continue. The technician can now select any of the categories shown. Selecting one of these categories will populate a list of safety items for that area. Some categories require you to complete additional steps. This can include taking additional photos, recording measurements, and adding notes. These categories are marked with a star and these entries are mandatory. For this video, the technician is going to start by selecting the brake systems category. This displays the list of brake system items. You will notice that a star is next to line 7 drum brake system components. This indicates it is a mandatory field. The technician is going to select this line. This page lists the drum brake components. The technician can select a pass, fail or repair for each item. Failed items will require the technician to take a photo. You will notice the stars indicating that mandatory measurements are required. The technician is going to select brake shoe lining thickness. Select the drop-down for each brake assembly. Please note that the application will populate a list of brake assemblies based on the number of axles entered earlier in the inspection. Take a photo and enter the brake shoe lining thickness for each brake assembly. Select Continue. Select the appropriate box pass, fail, or repair for the brake shoe lining thickness. Now select brake drum diameter. Select the drop-down for each brake assembly. Take a photo of each measurement with the required measuring device. Enter the brake drum diameter and select the appropriate box to indicate if each drum has exceeded the discard tolerance. Once complete, select Continue. The technician will select Pass, Fail, or Repair for the remaining drum brake system components. Once complete, select Continue. The technician will select Pass, Fail, or Repair for the remaining brake components. This completes the brake section. Select Continue. The next mandatory inspection is tires and wheels. Select tires and wheels to enter mandatory measurements for that section. Select tire tread depth. Select all other tires. Select the drop-down menu for each tire assembly. Take a photo and select the tread depth for each tire. Using the drop-down menu, select Continue. The technician will select Pass, Fail, or Repair for tire tread depth. Select Continue. Select tire inflation pressure. Select inflation pressure. Select the drop-down for each tire assembly. Enter the tire pressure readings for each tire. Photos are optional for inflation pressure. Select Continue. The technician will select Pass, Fail, or Repair for each category shown. Once complete, select Continue. The technician will select Pass, Fail, or Repair for each category shown. The technician will now select each safety category and enter Pass, Fail, or Repair for the safety items in those categories using the steps demonstrated earlier. In this case, these categories do not require mandatory measurements and photographs. Once Pass, Fail, or Repair has been selected for each category, the technician will select Submit. The inspection summary will be displayed for the technician to review. The technician can review the results and make any changes necessary. Select the back button to make changes. If no changes are required, the technician will sign their name using their finger directly on the touch-screen tablet and select Continue. If the inspection result is a pass, a pop-up will appear instructing the technician to confirm the printer is turned on and sticker stock is loaded in the printer, and then select OK to continue. This page confirms that the sticker was printed successfully. Select OK to continue. If the sticker does not print, there will be an option to reprint the sticker. Select Scan QR code. The camera will be available for the technician to scan the QR code on the sticker printed. A pop-up will appear letting the technician know that the safety sticker has been verified. The technician must have fixed the sticker to the vehicle. Be sure to clean the area where the sticker will be placed. The surface must be clean, free of any dust, oil, and grime. Wipe down the area. It must be dry prior to installing the sticker. Press the sticker firmly, over the entire face of the sticker, against the surface. Rub the sticker to get rid of any air bubbles. It is important to follow these steps to ensure the sticker is fully adhered to the vehicle. Once complete, select OK. The technician is instructed to take a photo of the sticker attached to the vehicle. Select Photo to take a picture. Select Continue. The technician will have the opportunity to review the safety inspection report. Once the report is reviewed, select Close. Once you close the VIR, a small window will pop up stating that the VIR was uploaded successfully to the server. A copy of the report will be sent to VIC owner/delegate automatically. If the vehicle has passed the inspection, an annual inspection certificate and safety standards certificate will also be emailed. The technician will be provided the option to email the safety inspection report and certificate to the motorist/customer. The email to the motorist can be in either English or French by checking one or both options. The technician will enter the motorist's email address and then select Send. Here is an example of the email. This is an example of the safety standards certificate. This is an example of the safety inspection report. This concludes our demonstration of a trailer inspection with the new inspection equipment.